If you're considering using Experience.com, there are a few key things you need to know before diving in. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to decide if it's the right fit for your business. First things first, Experience.com is a powerful customer experience and feedback platform, and it's a strong contender in its space. Compared to other players like Trustpilot or Google Reviews, Experience.com stands out by offering more advanced features, such as personalized survey options and deeper analytics. This makes it perfect for businesses that are looking to not just collect reviews, but actively manage their reputation and gain deeper insights into customer sentiment. Next thing to keep in mind is the customization options. Unlike some competitors, which offer limited flexibility, Experience.com allows you to tailor surveys and feedback requests to match your brand's voice. This level of customization helps you get more accurate, meaningful responses, and it gives you the ability to engage with customers in a way that aligns with your company's values and style. The third thing you need to know is the reporting and analytics. Experience.com goes beyond just showing you review scores. It provides detailed breakdowns, trends over time, and key sentiment analysis. If you're used to more basic platforms, you'll find Experience.com's advanced analytics a real game changer. You can use these insights to take actionable steps toward improving customer experience and ultimately drive more business. The fourth thing you should be aware of is integration. Many businesses already use a variety of tools like CRMs, email marketing platforms, or social media dashboards. Experience.com offers seamless integration with many of these popular tools. This makes it easy to incorporate customer feedback into your existing workflows without any additional hassle. The fifth thing is the ease of use. Wow Experience. offers sophisticated features, the interface is surprisingly user-friendly. If you've used other review management platforms in the past, you'll appreciate how intuitive Experience.com is. Navigating through dashboards, setting up surveys, and managing responses is quick and straightforward, even if you're not a tech expert. Next, let's talk about pricing. Experience.com offers a range of pricing tiers to suit businesses of all sizes. However, some competitors might have lower upfront costs or different pricing structures. That said, the value Experience.com brings, with its robust feature set and customization options, makes it worth considering if you're serious about enhancing your customer experience and managing your online reputation. Lastly, and this might be the most important point, Experience.com offers an amazing customer support team. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just need some guidance on how to get the most out of the software, their support team is readily available and genuinely helpful. It's not something you see with every SaaS platform, and it's a huge plus if you ever run into a roadblock. If you're still on the fence, you can actually try Experience.com completely free with the first link in the description. This trial will give you access to everything the platform has to offer, so you can test out its features for yourself before making a decision. Plus, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, to sum it up, Experience.com is a powerful tool for businesses looking to manage and grow their customer feedback and reputation. It offers customization, deep analytics, easy integrations, and top-notch customer support. If that sounds like something you need, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits.